and welcome back to my channel, Jari Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing video for you guys. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos, give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So this unboxing video will be Rossi nails, I think that's how you say it. And basically I got chosen to be an influencer for them, so they sent me a free gift from their website. It's a secret box, so I'm just going to open this up for you guys so you can see what comes in these boxes. So I have the little package right here, little teeny tiny box, and I have my scissors, so let's go ahead and puncture it so I can So as you can see, when I open the box, this is what it looks like. It has this little box inside, so I'm going to take this out, and it has the bubble wrap around it. So it's really pretty and small. I'm glad that they have like a box that actually fits instead of using like really big boxes, because sometimes the items might get messed up, or they might spill out in the box, and it's like, what do you want this for now, because all your stuff just broke. So I'm going to take the bubble wrap off. This is really pretty pink box. It says Glam Your Nails Secret Mystery Box by Rossi Nails, if you can see that. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And when I open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's pretty small, but it's a really cute packaging. So the first thing that I have right here is the dip nail powder. So if you guys don't know what dip nail powder is, basically you put the stuff on your nails and then you dip your finger in here. So I'm gonna open it. I'm not really sure what color this is. It kind of looks like it might be like a purple or something, but y'all will see me trying it out soon. And then these little containers that look like nail polish. So this is what they look like, and they say Rossi Nails. So this is step 2, which is the base coat, and the base coat is what you apply first before you dip it in the powder. And then you have the 4th one, which is the top coat. You put that on after you're done. And then the activator, which is the 3rd one, it basically hardens the dip powder. So yeah, that's all I got in here. You guys, like I said, will see me trying it out, but not today. This was just an unboxing video so you guys could see. But I will link their website down below in the description box so you guys can check it out, especially if you do nails, or if you want to do your own nails at home and you want to have a professional kit like this and you can't find stuff to use, then I'll link that down below. And also for their social medias, I will link them down below as well if you guys would like to follow them and see their page or whatever. Also, I would like to say, if you guys would like to purchase, like if you want to purchase from Rossi Nails, then you can use the shade 20 for 20% off on your first purchase. So why not? If you want to purchase some good stuff, then you better hop on it, because you can get some money off of it, and who doesn't want money off? But in the shade 20, I will leave all of this information down below so you guys will know and won't forget, using shade 20 to get 20% off on your first purchase. But yeah, you guys, this is the end of this unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.